engineering na we go water engineering ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwige dibali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na we go na network system administration ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwige dibali electrical installation na we go electrical engineering ase ensema ya cosmetology nkwige dibali hairdressing we go mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism ngwige dibale food production yani cookery na bwigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi ya principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Limongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha te yababere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cyo basoma wetera help high education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya. Again, tokende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Ekyo applications chirororo naba bunge kunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba. Again, tege Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kawe bursary in full inta abana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetara sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Wasombia mwancha muri ya Gatembe TV ritukeriga ya Jumapili tariki ya 25 mutenye 12 umwaka wa 2025 kionga chinsa isana na ibira senchira yobonye karibu sana nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyabuga Wilson Makori kora somo na abo imanyiriro Kevin Ongeri kuri studio akabere era gongonya kwane kyabuna chibichechi na boga Mario Ingo ikirachira senchira ero yobukirano abamenyi be kinyaro kyanyabisya kegotoka ebunge ya base county ya Kisii nigaba sokre na gosaba botoera rubo beararo ereko mwene mwanchu obo Peter Ongeni oyo kabeire omontereba ose omogende bwechigari kiri cheme chanka ime ya mugonga korengana na mabo mwabo mongna trubo sanyanchama nigo mwana ye akori witani omotenyi koro agakwete asengencho omongno yo mokeni gatineneti okweni wakwaye mongna trubosa ni gatebere buna ogoteneni wagwo kumutindika goseko mwene mumroye nigo kwarentre amayanda ase ya mateyo igento kireire ya mateyaye nabo igabamenyi be kinyorekyo wesoke na kumuborio murugyo yoyo moke gotigana osego tugutira ekine kiare erio Peter anyare kweni
inchengo teba umwana oyone batige bina umusubati yoyo ngo tusumbuare umwana oyona chiatinde ku ebina ne bya kyago toletera ata seli kurwe nkeye tago tuabira tutinde komobere Njengo chiko matebia tu abere to tinde komo bere muna ntu abaisemoke. Muna ntu abaisemoke. Atu abere to tinde komo bere. Nyore na ba matebate bere bonsi piesa porque seningi mamuno tu abere to tinde komo bere. Ntu anyakorra bikonebi. Ibikonebi atu chandire ntu anyakorra. Ota seri bano ntu kuna toletere bina. Kole buo. Ntu bano kolera tole tu abere. Tuabere totinde komo bere na ale kere tualengi chitali kijirin tua ingwa njira netemna totinde komo bere bikone kebyo ko tokolera bono wa tokolera bikone bibe tige bina
abantu baito tega bamanyiri chiko naende senga kiyabone ga Kenya yaito umumura na ale to musubati maragoba bakora matukabere kolengana ne lijiko lya Kenya ino musubati oyo umwana ominto rwalenga kentambe eyetalienga kiaro narenga retina maturu bosa kuna kunyuga nyugo igento nare go sabe serikali yetu ne linga umwana ominto bitoralire igabwata abangina babere na mama mwabo tigaretenka umungina turbosa no mungina obangete family yaye buya obatanenire oboli mubuye sokoro buya obangire nonya nasa gorete bunu umungina bunu umukungu nonyora anti yane n'umukungu wakuruku bune bukweko teba obangira abana ababonsi babire ali asaka golete kiginga oire abana abororo obangire ebintu bunu muga kongeni tata amutigerete atabwati obaguzi jo nare gusabanga buna mwanya bantu umwana oyo kobeke kine kasini yane omoeli nka akoretu nkana agota komenya igoteri buya konyuga nyugu muchioyo umuchi agitakanyora ole buya ekiagara sata getogusuki uyo mwabakurwa ere tabwati amanyinga mwanya bantu
twe karansete agatotebiti umubere utinde kwe nande bono tonchokeire ekiarenge otwatebaneti umubere utinde ku ochite tariki 29 utinde ku tariki 30 nande bono twanyorera marube y'abantu bagati gocha otolete iro muchando una rero chuma mosi twaswamire
Togo tigana nayo muraibu ensede ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto niga bolire abara ikuru ekiama kirege ODM kwerobere abosi bobochero bonene bo mwaka 2027 kwana kurwa akaunti ya Migori murayo yuga tano bwensi ya Kenya nigo airete buna ensemo yaye niga gendete kwerobere erio babwata ne ensemo osine kiame kyo gya ODM bachie korosia eserikali yegocha ensemo ende niga motitia bamirere baye be serikali anemo no muraibu ekiama kireke oipa Moske Steven Kalonzo Musyoka.
Si mnajua mimi naelewa siasa? Mimi naelewa siasa kiasi bwana. Nimeambia wana ODM, my friends, nyinyi jipangeni. Sawa sawa? Si mko na party leader, si mko na viongozi wenu, mujipange. Sisi nitapanga wale wengine. Alafu tutakutana, tutaunda serikali pamoja. Nyinyi mko tayari ama mko tayari? Mko tayari ama mko tayari? ODM utajipanga. Zamani nilikuwa nasikia baba akisema ODM mnasema tuko tayari. Mko tayari kweli? ODM. 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 Mko tayari? Hebu nione wala nasema tuko tayari. Mko tayari? Na mimi pia niko tayari na wale wengine. Sawa sawa? Na nyinyi msijali. Sawa sawa? Msijali. Wale tunashindana na wao mimi nawajua. Nimewauliza maswali juzi. Wameanza kuregarega kutapatapa. Nimewauliza maswali juzi nyinyi. Mambo mawili ni ya muhimu kwa hii siasa. Kwanza ukuwe na plan na sera na mpango na agenda. Ya pili ukuwe na track record. Ama namna gani? Mimi nauliza nyinyi watu wa Migori. Kwani hapa Migori mtu anachaguliwa kwa sababu wako na sura mzuri? Si anachaguliwa kwa ile kazi amefanya? Kama mtu amefanya kazi miaka 5 si analete record ya miaka 5. Kama mtu amefanya kazi miaka 20 si analete record ya miaka 20. Kama umefanya 40 years kama jamaa mwingine si alete record ya
Abaraikuru kiama gia ODM bakurawa na omuraibu kiama kyo Moske Oburu Odinga nigo balirira yokogendera gusira omuraibu ense ase serikali yobomo gose broad based government ore abo nigo bamochitigara egati abaraikuru ase kiama kyo bari bahote abono Moske Ruto nigari nekirenga yokugora gose boigo komera ekiama kyo gia ODM.
We cannot just sit in a broad-based arrangement. We are going to move forward and make sure that when it comes to 2027, our people are squarely in the government. Our people will not go back to the opposition again. And I want to tell you, my people, that there is no party in the world which is formed to be in the opposition. Our people have suffered in the opposition far too long. It is the time now we also squarely remain in the government. And we are going to fight for it. We are not going to be asking for favors. We are going to earn it. We are going to earn it by being in our party called ODM.
Una watu wengine wanasema ati kuna hao viongozi wa ODM wakiongozwa na party leader ani wanataka kuuza chama cha ODM kwa Rais Ruto, lakini tunawajua wao ndio wanakutana na rais wa kitambo Uhuru Kenyatta wakijaribu kuvunja chama cha ODM. Na tunawaambia Uhuru alitudanganya 2022, hatuwezi kubali tena atudanganye tena. Sisi si wajinga, tuko na akili timamu, tuko na intelligence yetu. Hatuwezi kubali tena kudanganywa mara ya pili.
Na ODM iko ndani ya broad based government. Na hapo tuko ndani, na vile rais amesema tuko pale, na party leader wetu ameshasema tuko pale ndani sahi, na tunajipanga kwenda mbele.
Kama chama cha ODM tutakuunga mkono usiku, mchana, asubuhi, kwa jua, kwa mwezi, tukurudishe uwe rais. Na ikifika kule mbele
Kerengera ryo kyo waziri omonene Moske Musalia Mudavadi kyogo chenche katiba yo mwaka 2010 bose babachora bonene bo mwaka 2027 nigo kigenderete kuimukia ebirengerero abaraikuru nsemo yo kwamiro ya serikali gati abo Martha Karua nabo igo Eugene Wamalwa nigo besokire na kumoche kerengerero ekyo nakoteba ekirene ekirenka ekebe anamono chinka kya Kenya bagenderete gwetera amakongo a sense media ya uchumi nechinsemo
When we have the debate that has just started about the referendum, constitutional review, and my big sister Martha is here. She led, as the Minister for Justice, the constitutional review that led to the review of our constitution and the birth of the 2010 constitution. That conversation has just started. Of course, they have the debate of Singapore. This is the time we would have liked the dynamite voice of Cyrus Jirongo to contribute to this national discourse that is just starting. I'm sure Cyrus might have said, well, we tried this at Bomas, at NATCO, at BBI. But right now, probably he would question, is it really our top national priority, the constitutional amendments that we want to talk about, when half of Kenya is going hungry? 55% of this country do not celebrate Christmas. Families cannot put food on the table. Up north, from Garissa to Wajir to Mandera, people are starving. And we cannot feed these families. And here we are talking about Singapore. He would have asked, our health sector is in a mess. For the first time, Kenyatta National Hospital is about to collapse. Just like a 100-year-old hospital in Kakamega called St. Mary's Mission Hospital that has been there since the colonial times is collapsing because of the failed sharp policies. He would have questioned some of these things, and we will miss that dynamite voice that speaks truth to power. And we must carry on this fight, even in his absence. Thank you.
The call for the referendum is a distraction, especially by a rogue regime that disobeys the constitution daily. Mudavadi, who is calling for the referendum on behalf of his master, Dr. William Ruto, he is occupying an office that itself unconstitutional.
Chapto kirechita kai 15 iguri yachinsa isano na ibire chabona mubaso mwancho murigeri ya yuniga tiari tojo koretera gaiga chikoraga chinsa 10 genda gotora burigeri burubiya na boigo botoro asemiro biya Gatembe TV kobwatia nchenguru kwa Catherine Nyabuga Wilson makuru kuraso muna buyimanyiriro Kevin Ongeri kuri studio kamera nera koneke bona chibichechi na boiga Mario Ginko ikira chira senchira yobokeren bye bye tumurani chikora chinsa 10.